For our corporate citizens to take a final pick. Take your pick. Our corporate sponsors. The candidate who best represents your product or your company. We have candidate number 1, Princess Alea Bispear of Barangay Daanbanwa. Candidate number 2, Josay Almendras Peronio, Barangay Inamoy. Carla Marie Obogon, Carmona, Barangay 3. And candidate number 4, Chris Anjoy De Leon, Barangay Pilagin Pinay. Candidate number 5, Zeria May Merano, Barangay Kamingawan. We have candidate number 6, Andrea Jean Gomo, Barangay Tampalon. Candidate number 7, Freya Jane Oirada, Barangay Tagumon. Candidate number 8, Shakira Merocho, Barangay Kapugan. Candidate number 9, IC Waminao, Barangay Tanawan. Candidate number 10, Kim Gertie Aaron, Barangay Linao. We have candidate number 11, Aliana Magan, Barangay Lamunan. And finally, we have candidate number 12, Joanna Marie Oyo, Barangay Uinao. Thank you so much.